I'm Dr. Kadhim-Saleh. I go by AJ. I am a family doctor practicing in Toronto, and I am also a physician entrepreneur. So, as a doctor, one of the challenges we deal with is the paperwork problem. Basically, it takes too long to do, about 2 to 3 hours a day. Don't get paid for it. It's costing us like somewhere like $96,000 a year of our time. I've started a software that aims to help my fellow family doctors with their paperwork problem. That software is called Pippen. I would see patients, let's say up to 4 o'clock. My last appointment is 3:50 p.m. I wasn't leaving the clinic till 7 p.m. This is pre-building this solution, right? So it's 3 extra hours of doing this paperwork. Now I'm done by like 4:30, right? So it's cutting it down by 2.5 hours every day, right? I actually was able to increase my roster of patients. It increased my compensation, and I looked at other sort of like companies that are trying to fix this problem, and I just found their solutions were clunky. They were not interactive. We started looking at trying to hire a team to build it. From designers and software engineers and developers. So honestly, it was miles and miles ahead of everybody else, right, that we looked at. I remember like the way sort of it was explained to us in terms of communication throughout the process was using all these tools to keep us involved and engaged throughout the whole development, right? So it was like, you got the Slack channel, you've got the Notion, so you see all the documentations. The team itself has like all these like robust ways to check in and the huddles and team meets, and so all these things, right, gave me like sort of confidence that there's a process that is being followed. It's methodical. With like implementing this solution through Crowdlinker's development, we cut down our administrative burden, our paperwork problem, by 65%, and that was pretty remarkable. And of course now we are sort of expanding to offer that to family doctors across Canada, so any family doctor can sign up and start using it. They can apply it in their own practice. So Crowdlinker built that for us, right? So it had all the integrations. Our vision was to make it as seamless as possible. So for me, I went back to like sort of the process that Crowdlinker uses, and to me it seemed really robust, really well thought of. And of course now like it has paid off being with Crowdlinker, because it built it perfectly, and we continue this relationship. So it has been a really great choice, and yeah, so extremely likely to recommend Crowdlinker.